The drop zone consists of a long, narrow board with a hole drilled in it so that this large steel sphere can sit in it. The idea is that I drop the board and it falls. My assistant at the other end of the board will keep her foot at the end of it so it remains steady. Your job is to focus on the steel sphere. The idea is to predict where the steel sphere will land when I drop the board. There are 3 possible zones where it might land. What might be one of them? For example, one possibility would be that the steel sphere lands right in the hole when it hits the bottom. We'll call that zone Zone 1. Another possibility is that the steel sphere would fall somewhere out here, in other words, beyond the end of the board. We'll call that Zone 2. The third possibility is that the sphere could land between the hole in the board and the other end, in other words, somewhere in here. 3 possibilities. What I would like you to do is, based on your experience, think about which of those you would predict will actually happen. Will the sphere fall or land in Zone 1, right in the hole, Zone 2, beyond the end of the board, or Zone 3, between the hole and the other end of the board? Again, we're going to take the stick, the board, release it, and it'll fall. And the idea is to predict into which zone the steel sphere will fall. Zone 1, Zone 2, or Zone 3. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, drop. That can't be. When I drop the board, the steel sphere has to land in the hole. I take it up like this, and I drop it. It's got to land in the hole. It can't land in Zone 3. I know what it was. My assistant moved her foot, and the board moved. That must be it, because it can't land in Zone 3. It's got to land right in the hole. This time, make sure you don't move your foot. So the stick is tight up against her foot. I lift it up. It's going to come down. It's got to land right in the hole. Let's try it again. Here we go. Lift it up. 3, 2, 1, drop. Again, it dropped in Zone 3. But that can't be. It can't be. It's got to drop right in the hole. One more time, because I can't believe that that's what's happening. We lift it up. And it's got to go down. It's got to land right in the hole in Zone 1. Can't go in Zone 3. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, drop. And and it landed right there in zone 3. Well, I guess that's where it lands.